how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you accidentally delete the emails from your Gmail that are important and don't know how to recover it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Chrome and then on the search bar, search for recover emails in Gmail account and go ahead and tap on it and scroll down and go to Gmail message recovery tool. And here you will need to continue, and then you'll need to confirm your account information and go ahead and hit continue. uh, you can see that unfortunately your missing emails were permanently deleted and we can get them back. So this is because the deletion has already passed 30 days. So if you have not crossed 30 days of email deletion, then this Gmail message recovery tool will help you to recover those permanently deleted mails. Just make sure that you do it before 30 days of deletion. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.